Hi, it's Indrek here from Avrame Europe. I want to address you directly about the situation in the lumber market. And please note the numbers and everything I talk about, it's about kit pricing made in EU. US, they have their own pricing model and they are communicating directly to US customers. The situation in the markets is that material prices are rising really rapidly. And in my 23 years in that business, I never seen such a rapid growth. Well, whatever the reasons are, but our business is very traditional. So our sales price is a sum of material cost, labor cost, overheads, and our margin. And the margin is the smallest one of them, and material is the biggest one. So if the biggest one just grows like by 1/3, we can't absorb it with our margin. So we have to raise the prices. But since we did it in February and it's unknown how it will continue, so we came out with an idea how to kind of express it or show it to customers. So we keep all the old prices, but as a last line item, we will add material surcharge. So if like our pricing is calculated based on wood cubic meter cost 330, and today it's already 430. So the rise is 100 euro. What we will do if someone needs to order the house right now, and let's say it's 30100, which has roughly 20 cubic meters of lumbers. So 100 euro additional cost on lumber multiplied by 20, you'll have 2,000 euros material surcharge. We won't take a penny from that. And I have agreed with our manufacturers that they won't take a penny from that. It's communicated directly to the material supplier. I think it is the most honest way because we don't want to earn more money or get rich using the situation. It's just we need to compensate those additional costs. And that's the way we are planning to do it. I've already had some customers contacted us and asking that should they postpone the ordering of kit. Well, I don't have enough data to give you exact answer, but if I were you, I wouldn't, because nobody knows how long the rise will continue, and people in industry, well, we talk to each other, and timber manufacturers say that basically there are three possible scenarios. One is that it's very short term, that it will come down somewhere October, November. Others say that yes, October, November, but next year. And the third option is that it will stay like this. So it's a bigger probability that it won't come down to the same level. So waiting won't give you any saving probably. I hope it makes you make a good decision and take care till the next time. Be healthy.